Hi everyone, I want to show you a new app called Steno. This is to calculate your lot size while you're trading, which helps you a lot of time. It's very simple. What you do first, you go to setting, you choose your account base, which in my case is pound. I want to show the risk in percentage and the position size in lots. Then you go back to main page, you choose your account balance. Let's say it's £2,000. I want to risk 2% and the stop loss is 5 pips. Then you press select currency pair. Here you have the major currency pairs, but it also has a lot more. Let's choose pound dollar. Calculate. Here you go. For pound dollar, if you're risking 2%, you're risking £40, and if your stop loss is 5 pips, then your lot size should be 1.04.